So a little bit of a surprise today. We're taking Ashton to the Jurassic World exhibition, London XL. He's very excited. We've all got matching tops. Let's see what happens. Wah!
Jurassic World. The park is a technological marvel and a modern phenomenon. Sparing no expense, the Maserati Global Corporation has created a world-class destination resort like no other, where humans coexist with dinosaurs in complete safety. We welcome you as our guests to step into a new reality over 65 million years in the making. This is Jurassic World.
Hello everyone, I'm Allison, Jurassic World's lead ranger, and I have the privilege of overseeing all of our park's dinosaurs. From babies to fully grown dinosaurs, I know them all. And it's my pleasure to be in charge of your VIP tour of the island today. Not only will you get to see some of our most impressive dinosaurs in the land of giants, but as our VIP guests, you've been given exclusive access to go off the beaten path and behind the scenes, visiting parts of the park not open to the general public. You'll take a peek inside our world-famous creation lab and our groundbreaking Raptor training facilities, where our scientists and behaviorists are deciphering dinosaur behavior and creating an all-new way to communicate with this incredible species. It's going to be an exciting day, one I'm sure you'll never forget. Welcome to Jurassic World.
Make your way through and meet our Brachiosaurus Barbara. She's very friendly, she loves meeting new people. No, what do we talk about? You can't go eating people's hair, Barbara. Oh, she's a hungry girl. She'll do what she pleases. We can't control her. You guys excited? This is where your adventure today begins. At the iconic Jurassic World gates. Our Brachiosaurus Barbara. She's very friendly, guys. She loves me. Barbara, be nice.
dinosaurs do we have in here, buddy? Tap these ones, tap that one. Right, so that is showing us this egg right in front of you here, yeah? So if you tap the egg for me, tap the egg, and then by the magic of science, ta-da! So this baby raptor is in that egg right now. Right? And we are incubating all of these different dinosaur eggs. Okay, so eventually they will hatch, and we think these will hatch very, very soon, okay? Be nice and gentle with this one, okay? Because they are babies in here. And then behind you, another.
Are they moving?
Ash, look.
Definitely do not want to draw any attention to yourself when you're in there. And please do respect one of our animal behaviour who is working inside the enclosure with the very, very richest and latest dinosaurs. Hey, Jen, if I should just come on down and use all the space and people aren't trapped in the doorway, that would be amazing. Everyone wants to see some of our velociraptors. I'm sure you can understand why. Velociraptor is one of our most scariest and dangerous dinosaurs here at Jurassic World. They have a lean, muscular form with large, serrated teeth and their secret weapon, which is their tail. Velociraptors are part of the Dromaeosauride family, and they were first discovered in the Jurassic period and have lived on this planet Earth for more than 100 million years. The longevity of a Velociraptor is due to following massive progress here at Jurassic World. Any minute now you'll be left through into see Blue working next door with one of our applications. She's been coming down with these later just so little ones can see. Come on down, come on down. Please take plenty of photos.
How are you all doing? Having a good day? Yeah, I feel like maybe 2 people are having a good day, which is kind of cool, but let's get all of you involved. Is everyone having a good day? Lovely. And is everybody excited to see Blue? Very good. Does anyone want to know a fun fact about a T-Rex that I learned the other day that blew my mind, so I hope it blows your mind too? The closest thing we have on Earth today to a T-Rex is a chicken. Alright? Do with that what you will. So we're getting the all clear. There's our trainer.
Scientists, rangers and handlers working with velociraptors, gaining an insight into how they think, move and hunt. Let's learn more about these amazing creatures. Velociraptors, or raptors as they are more commonly known, are part of the Dromaeosauridae family who first appeared in the Jurassic period and for more than 100 million years lived on Earth. Today, you will get a rare behind-the-scenes encounter with one of Jurassic World's most incredible raptors, Blue. A word of warning, although you're safe behind the enclosure, please keep your distance. Despite all of our work here, raptors remain carnivorous with killer instincts. And now, I'd like for you to meet Blue. Watch it. Good. And we're moving. Blue, this is for you. Eyes up. Now, go. Remarkable creatures, aren't they? Now you have seen how our animal behaviourists train a raptor. Thank you for coming, and please enjoy the rest of your time at Jurassic World.
You guys in here are amongst the first in the world to be able to witness an Indominus Rex feed, okay? My name is Elliot, I'm one of the handlers here. If you look up there to your left, you will see our new intern, Elspeth. We don't mention the last intern, especially not around Elspeth. So I would like everyone to say, good luck, Elspeth!
Good luck, Elspeth!
Well, she's really going to need this luck. I need a little bit more oomph, okay? Good luck, Elspeth!
Good luck, Elspeth!
Thank you very much, folks. She's coming. Hey guys, keep an eye out for her.
She's coming, look, the trees are shaking from them. Shaking very bad.
Indominus Rex. I would like everyone to give Elspeth a massive round of applause for surviving her first day. Well done, Elspeth. Here's to many more, hopefully.
I'm sure it's fine. If you want to start making your way down there, you can quietly do what you're supposed to do. I'm sure everything's fine. It's probably Brachiosaurus. Yeah. See you soon. Yeah. Great. Well, yeah, if you feel free to take your last photos, I'm sure the doors are closing soon if you want to be extra vigilant. Yeah, no worries. There you go. Oh, there you go. Great. Well, I think we're going to take it to safety now. We're going to take it for a quick bit.
We've got everyone down here. Can we get everyone in? Everyone's in? Lovely. Oh, okay, don't worry.
That's not dead.
Just please take a step back. Please step back.
That is not a herbivore.
Oh, good God. Don't worry, don't worry. Whoa! Okay, alright.
I've got an idea. Yeah, has anyone got a child they don't like that much?
Which child can we spare?
Anyone. Someone was like, that's concerning.
Alright, cost of living crisis, folks. You know, save some pennies, unload a child to us. Easy.
Hold on, I've got seen what they do with the Velociraptor. Hey, it works. Look at that.
I don't think it's worked, mate.
I think it's working.
I don't think it's working.
You never have any trust in me.
Oh, okay, maybe that's actually working. All right, well done. Well done.
Don't worry, guys.
Fantastic,
We're all
yes,
good.
yes.
Yeah, we're all
Oh,
set.
okay.
Dan, I've got a keypad. I've got a keypad.
All right, yeah, okay, you know the code, right?
I don't know the code. I thought you knew the code.
I don't know the code.
Why did I not know the code? What?
Oh, well, keep trying to spin a valley. All right, the manual, the guide.
The manual.
Okay, I've got it. Let's have a look. Yeah, okay, here it is. Passwords. It's been ripped out.
We're trying to escape.
It's been ripped out. Oh, no, here's it. Go. Right, please, move on it, please. Put those camera phones
There's
down,
lots of
you
room, we've got
idiots.
lots of people to
Where's
get
your
out.
safety? Where's your self-preservation? What are you doing?
Oh,
People can't cover themselves. Please head on through, ladies and gentlemen. Please, where is your self-preservation instinct? Come on through, come on in. Folks, spread yourselves out, alright? Okay, alright.
Coming back through for me, guys.
Go back.
Good work, Daniel.
Go back.
Right, now it's the scariest part, guys.
Go back.
Letting your children spend your money carrying
Oh
on
my
through.
word, it actually
Thank
worked.
you very much, guys.
Oh my days, I actually made a retreat. Oh no.